Okay, this is our car setup for 2 Huskies. They have actually a lot of room here. It's very good for long travel. This is how it looks like. This is Toyota Tundra, and actually this is a hybrid, so as you can see over here, we have some extra cushioning here because floor is not even since the batteries are here. What we did, we folded up the back seats. See, that's how they are closing. And this is actually memory foam, which was cut out from old mattress. That's how it looked like. See, we have some extra pieces here because, like I said, floor is not even because of the hybrid batteries, so we had to fill out the gap. Over here we have hammock. It's just hanging here, see, and it's like folded over here. It's just folded under the seat just to protect the seat, because see, this material, it's kind of like a pet hair magnet, so we just, you know, put it as hammock over, so hair is not, like, you know, really badly catching to it. And they have actually really a lot of space back here. We actually came back from vacation, so everything here is filthy. Have to take it out to wash and clean the car. So I will show you how it looks like under the blanket. We have just like a blanket over it, and this is waterproof mattress cover. See, that's how it looks like. We have another piece here just to fill this gap. So we're just, you know, taking everything out to clean the car, and it will go back so we can travel with our 2 furry babes. See, that was one piece. We have 2 more over here. The sun is pretty bright. I hope you can see it. And this is like regular hammock for the dogs. How it looks like. And also another thing, we have another cover here for armrest protection, because of course they're coming to the front with their paws, nails, so we don't want them to scratch it, since, you know, most of the armrests, they have this, like, you know, soft leather. And also see here, there is a tray, so we cut some foam just to fill it out so it's even, and it's working really good for us.